Don't y'all look now. I got me some cypress. We're going to build some pea road. I got a hold of some cypress. Oh my Lord, look at him. I'm talking about pretty, straight, 12-foot 2x6s and a 12-foot 2x6s and a 12-foot 2x8. I mean some pretty, clean, knotless, no knots, cypress. Beautiful thing. Y'all, it's almost a shame to rip it, but rip it we shall. Build us some pea rolls. We gotta get this big boat done. I'm ready to crank this in tomorrow. Try to crank that up. Look. Look at that pretty board. That's cypress, y'all. That lasts a long time on the boat. Got to have it to build a proper pea roll. You'll see. It's coming. I'll show y'all. Teach y'all how to build a shark. What the old men call a shark. But it's not like they used to. We don't dig them out. We make them out of some plywood us. It's coming. But we gotta have cypress for the stringers, the runners, and we gotta have all that for the rib. And you see, Jolie come Sasha, Otaka, from the wood down here in Louisiana. I got to go hydrate, Shy. It's a beautiful evening. Otaka. Thank y'all for watching.